new Lady Bulldogs. After going down 8-7 in our first technical timeout in the second set, turn things around here, leading by 3, 16-13, with the players coming off the bench. Dadang, Aganon on the floor, Marzan also being used early on. Good dig there by Dadang.
Oh, but on the second one, UP getting that point by the open hit of 2.
And Yu, because of the way she contorted her body in the air, fell down.
Yun yung style niya, diba? Yun yung the way niya to fool the blockers. Pero effective naman so far. But the UP throwing away that serve.
Agano now. Magtalas. Tiamzon gets blocked by Nepomuceno and Santiago.
The things that the young Tiamzon will have to learn, when you have a Dindin Santiago, a 6'1", 6'2" player in front of you, you don't go for off-speed hits.
Another block for the current leader in the blocking department here in the UAP, Kai Nepomuceno. Kai has really improved in that department here in UAP Season 75.
Yun pa pala, no? Tandem siya ni Kai Nepomuceno at ni Dindin Santiago.
Owishi, oh wow, moment of the game. Catherine Bersola earns that one. Owishi, oh wow, open up to everyday surprises.
Good
Karen
job.
Del Rosario in the game now for UP. Reyes to Urdas. Tiamzon.
Oh, much loop on that ball.
Couldn't get the touch. Francis is explaining
how Dindin Santiago should block. Yung mga adjustments, kasi yung blocking, you just don't jump and jump. You read how the opponent is going to spike to hit the ball. May angle ba? Diretso ba? Mataas pa? Mababa? So you also adjust yung blocking mo. Like this one. You were not able to close yung block nila, especially the one in the outer portion of the net. So, nagamit pa for that check ball.
Good job by Mangolabnan to find an opening there. Running hit by Santiago, but she had to adjust and go for the drop ball.
Just enough power. Sending that across.
Dindin Santiago, one-time UAP Women's Volleyball Champion. 3 years ago with UST, now with National University as their new team captain.
Oh,
Dadang.
They like that connection. That quick hit by Dadang.
So a lot of players from NU contributing in this game, including Sheshe Dadang.
Okay, so kailangan, kita nyo, apat na kagad yung nag-receive. Hana, back row ka na rin, di ba? 4-man receive tayo. So tingnan nyo lang yung line na yan kung paano kayo mag-react doon, yung straight sa inyo, tsaka yung short ball. Okay, tulong muna tayo lahat. Okay, very important na makuha natin yung first ball na yan. Okay, tapos dalawang spikers ulit. So pag-usapan mo paano gagawin play, iwalay mo uli yan. Okay, tapos tingnan nyo, kailangan mangyari, once na ma-over yung bola sa kabilang side, panoorin nyo paano siya nag-create ng play. Kasi kanina ilan nyo, dalawang spikers lang. Pero hindi tayo nakapuwes sa tama sa blocking. Okay, pag over ang bola, gawa natin ng paraan yung blocking. Okay, para makakuha tayo ng tamang gikan sa likod.
A similar huddle with Coach Jared Hobalde, just like the previous one. It's really about UP observing and learning from their opponent also.
And I think that's the very basic of it all in any sport. Ano? It's yung how will you react? How will you adjust to a given situation in a game?
Hindi umabot. Ang free ball attempt ni Karen Del Rosario. NU once again coming close to attaining a 2-0 lead.
Abad coming in for Mangulabnan.
I'd like to correct myself. A while ago I said it was the right hand of Perez that got injured. It's actually the left hand. She's got that flesh bandage on her left hand.
Oh, what defense from the Lady Maroons. Oh, but this time, kung ano pa yung madaling ball. Ayaw nila. Gusto nila yung mga talagang powerful hits.
Somehow, Del Rosario froze.
That was a well-placed hit from the Lady Bulldogs. Kakasabi pa lang naman ni Coach Jarrod ni Jarrod na 4-man defense tayo, which means 4 na tao ang nagbabantay dun sa likod.
Another service error there for NU.
Just piling up. Yan yung kailangan talaga nila eh.
Yes.
You have to address that problem because that's an easy, di ba? An easy problem yung serve because you just have to get it over. You start with just high percentage, just get it across, and then tsaka na lang maging offensive threat yan when you have the when you're so sure, you have the rhythm, you have the timing.
I mentioned a while ago that NU has lost in all of its 5-set matches here in UAAP Season 75. And in those 3 defeats, Mosey, they committed more than 40 unforced errors.
Oh my goodness. Kaya nga masasabi mo, talaga namang matatalo. Especially, pero or you can look at it also on the other side. In spite of those 40 errors, nakaka-5 sets sila, diba? So, kung titignan ng NU yan, i-minus mo yun lang, bawasan mo lang yung errors mo, malamang you should have won those games. You could have won those games.
And maybe even won those games by a huge margin. All right, speaking of winning, NU has just captured set number 2 for a 2-0 lead against UP. Set number 3 coming up. Keep it right here on Studio 23 for more UAAP women's volleyball action live from the arena in San